Meaning of daring.
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 Daring. Daring can be defined as the quality of being adventurous, bold, or willing to take risks. It is characterized by a willingness to push beyond one's comfort zone and challenge oneself to pursue ambitious goals or ideas. People who are daring often display a sense of fearlessness and may inspire others to take action in areas where they might otherwise hesitate. Ultimately, daring can lead to both success and failure, but it is the willingness to try that sets the daring apart from those who do not dare to explore new possibilities.